So with that being said, we're going to get started on creating our first AI Faceless video using Invideo. And one of the first things I want you to understand is the more specific that you make your prompt, the better the results you're going to get. So here's an example of my prompt. Create a fun, exciting, and funny YouTube short about the top 5 world's best places to visit for 2023 to 2024. Keep the duration up to 45 seconds. Start the video by introducing the topic and use the title as the intro text. Then give the top 5 world's best places to visit for 2023 and 2024 and illustrate each of them with an example. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Conclude the video by asking viewers which top 5 world best places are they going to visit in 2024. Use an energetic American male from Texas voice for the voiceover. Make sure the background music sounds relaxing, but also inspirational. Also make sure to add captions. Here is an article that you can use as reference. And if you didn't know, using this software, you can actually give the AI something to reference to help it understand clearly what you're trying to get it to accomplish or the results you're trying to get it to give you. So I pulled an article from off the internet right here, and this is the article right here. And it's going to pull the ideas and get clarity on what I'm telling it based off what I put in the prompt itself and the article that it's going to check. This software can literally go and pull information from websites, which is super cool. Now, also keep in mind, I'm going to give you this prompt and other prompts that you can use for any niche in any industry to help you get the best results when you're creating these videos using the artificial intelligence. All you have to do is click the link down below this video to get access to them. That being said, once you have your prompt, you're just going to click generate video. Now, as you can see, it's taking the information that we put inside the prompt and it's thinking, it's even visiting the website or the article that I recommended it could use as reference. And in a few minutes or a few seconds, it's going to spit out that video and we'll look at the finished product. Now, after it's done, it's going to ask you a few more things just to make sure that you have everything you want the video to sound like and look like. So it's asking for your audience, travel enthusiasts. I'm going to keep it like that. The look and feel is going to be bright, and but you can choose inspiring or epic. And then the platform, we already have that set based off our prompt for YouTube Shorts. So if everything looks good in this area, all you're going to want to do is click continue. Now, right now, what you're seeing is actually creating the video right before our very eyes. It's analyzing. And in a matter of moments, we're going to have our YouTube short video ready. Now, I do want to say that AI in video is free, but if you upgrade, you can get access to where it takes away all the watermarks and you get access to more stock footage and a lot more access to things like the music. So here are the pricing plans right here for the free version. Like I said, you can get started for free. You get 6,000 plus video templates, a media library, AI script generator, and the automated text-to-speech. And you can collaborate with a team if you have a team in your business. Now right here, this is the yearly plan right here. So you'll be saving $180 annually. And then also for the limited, you'll be saving $360 annually. But if you want to take a look at the monthly plans, $30 a month, they're going to remove the watermark. You get 60 HD videos, which is pretty good for an entire month. You get 10 iStock media footage and a million plus access to premium media. You can remove the background and you get a 7-day money back guarantee on both of these plans. Now, as you can see, this only took a few moments. I think it took about 2 minutes total, but as you can see, it created the entire video. It has background music, it has stock footage, and it even has the captions, as you can see. Also, while you're in this part of the video, you can edit as you go. So you can click in here, you can say delete the scene, it's not really relevant, or you can make it half as long or too wordy, or you could type in a whole entirely brand new prompt and it'll start all over from the beginning. And like I said, this is super, super easy to do. You can even click edit right here and you can change any of the stock footage from right here in the middle of it. And what's a cool feature about using this AI, it tells you what part of the stock footage is on the text that it created for the video, so the captions. So you can see it's highlighted right here. Whoosh in for a whirlwind tour of the top 5 global shots, and it's telling you this right here is the footage, but you can click that and change it, or you can also upload your own video, or you can search for something different by clicking right here. So this one, it would be the first scene. If you don't like that, you can just key in whatever you want right here. Travel in Africa, and then just press enter. And then what it's going to do is going to pull up all the stock footage based off what you keyed in that search menu. And you can go through each one of these by clicking, and it's going to show you different things and different scenes that you can change right here. So this is what we put in travel in Africa, and they give you stock footage. Well, let's take a quick look at how the video look and sound so we can know whether or not we want to make any changes.